for joining me today. So we are looking at two-step equations. Now you can see here that I've got four variables, 4x, and I've got two marbles. On my right-hand side, I've got 14 marbles. So I always think about bit mass, B-I-D-M-A-S. Now I always start from the bottom up, which also means that if I've got addition and subtraction, which I do, that also shows that I've got loose marbles on each side. So that's the easiest thing to get rid of. I just want my variables by themselves, which means because it needs to be balanced, I take away two marbles from both sides. I'll delete those two marbles and I'll delete two marbles on this side. That leaves me with 4x equals 12. The next thing I want to do is think about, I want to know how much is in each bag, and it's not a 4 in total. So I need to share all my marbles between 4 bags. Sharing is dividing, and that's the opposite of times. So I want to get rid of times 4, so I divide by 4, which means I divide my right hand side by 4, and that means I'm putting my marbles into 4 groups. And those 4 groups show you how much marbles each person's getting, each bag is getting, and that is 3. So x is equal to 3. Likewise, if I look at this question here, I had a bag full of marbles. I shared them with 3 people, and then I found 2, and I had 4 in total. So the first thing I look at is what's similar on both sides. I've got loose marbles on both sides, so I want to get them gone. So I'm going to minus 2 on both sides. Now that gives me a bag that I shared between 3 people, and it also gives me 2 marbles because I would have deleted 2 of the marbles that I had, because remember I had 4 marbles at the start. Now everyone has 2 marbles. Now I want to work out how many marbles did I have in total at the start. Well, I could just count these marbles, but I've got 2 groups of 3, which is also thinking about multiplying. So the opposite of divide is multiply. So I need to times by 3 to get the bag by itself, and I need to times the other side by 3. That gives me the bag, which is x equals 6. Let's go back up. We can double check that. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And that's what we started with.